Right now, the system is 40 miles an hour sustained, 45 miles an hour sustained, and it is forecast to pick up a little bit of strength as it moves northeast. And this is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll be moving past Hatteras at that point. Now, it might move right over Hatteras, but the favored position is just a little bit more to the east of there and a little bit offshore. So our area will be spared the worst of the storm, but keep in mind that the rain will pass well north of it, and some of the coastal winds will also be passing north of it as well. Tuesday, it's moving away from us and becoming non-tropical, and then becomes non-tropical and strengthens as it moves away, but pretty far offshore at that point. This system is actually wrapping in a little bit of cooler air, beginning to, so it might be a little bit more subtropical, which basically is just a nomenclature, but bottom line is this. The center is to our south, and the rain has already moved up to meet and greet this stationary front, and that's another reason we're going to have rain in Hampton Roads, so much rain, because of those two interactions. So here it is right now. We got heavy rain already for northeast North Carolina. It is down here around Wanchese and over to mainland Dare County, moving off to the northwest. Moderate showers around Jarvisburg and Killable Hills up to Corolla, almost to Corolla. Lighter rain, Elizabeth City and Gatesville. Now we go to the south side. We got a lot of light rain here just north of the state line, Whaleyville over to the Hickory area and also into Blackwater. And you got scattered showers on the north end of Virginia Beach, parts of Norfolk, Portsmouth, northern Suffolk. And here's the peninsula. You got a lot of light rain. Newport News up through all of Newport News basically over to Surrey County, James City County, and also into Isle of Wight County. Here's York County getting a few showers, and that runs up into Gloucester Point. A little bit more up here around Amberg, and then scattered light showers over the eastern shore. So we got a lot of rain coming up from the south today. This continues. Here's noontime, lots of rain, pockets of heavy showers coming up from the south and northeast winds. Now here's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Looks like the bulk of the rain moves offshore, but still scattered showers behind it. This is good news. Hopefully this proves true that we don't see too much rain later today. And then overnight, a couple spotty showers. That's about it. Tomorrow morning, not too much rain, but in the afternoon, the rain comes back, at least for some, scattered showers. I think there'll be a little more coverage than we see here on the map. So the impacts, this is for North Carolina. Outer Banks, 2 to 3 inches of rain, 1 to 2 inches inland. Some of the gusts, 45 to 55 across the Outer Banks. Inland, maybe 20 to 30, not quite as bad. And tidal flooding should be minimal on this one, but some overwash is possible along Highway 12. Now for Hampton Roads, about a ½ inch to an inch, not that much. Virginia Beach, I think a little more, closer to the storm, so 1 to 2 for you. And, well, for the winds gusting about 25 to 30 miles an hour. But in Virginia Beach and on the eastern shore as well, you might get a few gusts of 40. And that's on the ocean side, of course. No tidal flooding expected for today, but some localized flooding from the heavy rain. Tidal flooding is actually going to pick up Tuesday and Wednesday behind this system. Another system is going to come in from the west, a land-based one, and so we'll get some tidal flooding from that, minor tidal flooding. So today, highs in the 60s, on and off showers, breezy, windy. We'll get some gusts of 35, but near the shore, a little higher gust in Virginia Beach, and definitely some higher gust over the Outer Banks. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, lots of rain coming in, not a washout. The rain chances will drop some, but still a decent chance each day, and temps will be in the 60s till we get to Thursday, then we start warming things up. Well, stay tuned for updates throughout the entire day. Wavy.com and Wavy News 10.